Yeah, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Coby Pegway. I'm the host of this here. And today I want to teach y'all how to get your own trucking company. This is showing you the quick way to get it. And if you want me to do a full tutorial step by step, drop it in the comments. So the first thing we're going to go over is the I3 formula. You got to go check out some work. You got to go figure out what it is that you're going to do or have some type of idea before you even get started. That's the first thing. And a video that I got up top here is flashing. You can click on that video and that'll tell you a little bit more about my I3 formula. But my I3 formula strictly says it goes work, driver, then truck. Because the work is going to determine what type of driver you're going to get, and the type of work is also going to determine what type of truck that you get. So you want to make sure that you got that in mind. So the next thing we're going to go over is the LLC. You want to get legal. You want to get your LLC. You want to get your EIN number. You want to get all of that stuff taken care of. But I got a video on that, step-by-step tutorial on that. If you just look up, you can click that link and it'll take you right over to the video that we already got. Long tutorial, about 20-minute tutorial on how to get your LLC and EIN number. Now, if you're not slipping up too much and you really want to get deep into this business, you want to get you a DUNS number. The DUNS number is going to be the key to you getting a credit profile. You want to buy a truck later on down the line during your trucking company. You don't want to be using your own personal credit. So you want to get the DUNS number established and get places like Quill and places like, what's the other place with the Granger. You want to get Uline too. You want to start establishing these net 30 accounts so you can build up your business credit so you don't have to buy your truck and your other supplies on your personal credit. That's a whole nother topic. I'll be doing a video on that later, but that's just something I want to kind of throw in here as something that you might want to do. It's too easy to not do in the beginning of the process. So the next step I want to talk about DOT numbers, and I want to talk about MC numbers. Now, the DOT number is what you need for your home state. So you want to go to FMCSA to get that. You're also going to go to FMCSA to get the MC number. Now, I will drop all of these links in the description to where all you got to do is click on these things and you can go straight to go get your MC number, straight to go get your DOT number. Now, the DOT number, again, is for your home state. The MC number is for you to cross state lines. So if you got aspirations like me and my business, I immediately got my MC number right out the gate. I didn't want to run under anybody's authority. I didn't want anybody to have any type of control over what I was doing, and I wanted to make sure I gave myself the best opportunity to get some work. So MC number, DOT number, the MC number is $300, the DOT number is free. So I would suggest that you go ahead and just knock both of them out the way and know that it will not become active immediately. It takes up to 21 days for you to get your MC number active. So don't let anybody tell you that it's a whole bunch of steps. Once you got your LLC, got your EIN number, got your DUNS number, you go on over to FMCSA website. They'll direct you on exactly what you need to do. If you're doing it from a carrier perspective, just make sure you don't click anything that says broker, and you will be pretty good with that. Again, the other thing you're gonna need is the BOC3. The BOC3, you shouldn't pay any more than about $25. I'm gonna drop the link of a cheap person that I know that did mines, and they could do yours too. About between $25 and $30 is good. Some people get beat for $100, but just do your research. I mean, it's something that it's too complicated to do on your own and too cheap to not just have somebody else to go ahead and knock that out for you. Now, you are going to have your insurance active before you can become active. So just because you get your MC number, your DOT number, you got your LLC, doesn't mean you finna be active. You're going to have to go ahead and go get that insurance active. So that would mean you would need a truck before you could become active. Even if it's a rental truck, if you decide that you want to just try the game out, which I highly suggest with how the game changing, if you could find an affordable rental rate, that'll be a good way to go. All you need is the VIN number off that truck to add it onto your insurance policy. That's all you need to really get your trucking company going off the ground. Keep in mind a few tips. It takes 21 days to become active. So make sure that if you got some work picked out that you already kind of got it like, okay, it's going to be 21 days before I can start. You know, you want to let them know that ahead of time so they won't be thinking that you're about to start. So I don't want to keep you guys here long. If you need a longer tutorial where I can walk you through exactly what to check on the MC number, exactly what to do with the DOT number, because you feel that you would like some expert guidance or something like that, just know that my company last year did 3.5 million. So learn from somebody who's actually done it. We already at 300K this year, and it's already, what is February, first week of February. So we really know trucking. I really know trucking. I'm an expert. I do this thing with my wife, my sister, family business. We really do this trucking thing. I'm Coby Pegway. Go check out my new website, CobyPegway.com. If you guys need any business consultation, feel free to click on the link that's in my description. If you guys need to take a trucking class, I have trucking classes every week. Sometimes I have every other week, depending on how packed the classes get. Be sure to check me out. Be sure to subscribe too. I have more trucking videos coming, more general business. I am a serial entrepreneur. Trucking is just my come up. It's just the major come up, and I feel like I mastered the game over the last 4 years. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video.